Sometimes when reminiscing, I relive every year and remember every event throughout my whole career. But there's always one performance that's foremost in my mind. When I played the Grand Ole Opry in 1949. In a snow-white, skin-tight western suit, I was every inch a star when I walked out on the stage at night, holding my guitar. The crowd was waiting breathless for the song they knew I'd sing. My latest golden record called, I'm here to do my thing. But little did I realize when my music filled that hall that I would really do my thing when I felt nature's call. It hit me in the second verse, and I began to squirm. But the feeling wouldn't leave me, no matter how I turned. My voice began to rise in pitch till I was clear off key. And I could see the band was wondering what was wrong with me. I tried to make it to the wings, but the trip was just too far. There's times when nature calls you that you answer where you are. Now, as I recall, that western suit was never wore again, 'cause the trousers never did come white the way they once had been. Critics said my star performance was so bad that it smelled strong. Little did they realize they were far more right than wrong. A star can rise up to the heights, but a star can also fall, 'cause he can't keep on singing and answer nature's call. Well, here I am to do my thing, has long since come and gone, but not the thought of doing it with folks are looking on.